The worst pickup line someone tried on you.
You don't look like a mother of two.
Have you ever had a crush on a co-star or a colleague while working on a project?
Yes.
What?
What?
What? क्या?
हाँ, जब single थे हम.
If you woke up one day as Shaista Lodi, you would?
Unbox my fillers.
Unbox my fillers. Best and worst part of
my fillers.
Dissolve my fillers.
Hyaluronidays.
Shaista, we love
Some
you.
days.
We love you. We still do.
Listen, Shaista,
why do you got issues with the fillers? So, a little off the topic, but you know, everyone has a doctor fantasy. Deepak Perwani or HSY?
Hi Allah.
Hi Allah, baby.
Yeah.
Baby.
Deep Y.
All right.
देखिए आपकी कहानी विद दीपक परवानी ईद स्पेशल हफ्ता 13 अप्रैल रात 11 बजे सिर्फ डॉन न्यूज पर।